Hello everybody, this is Arvind from Grammar. Now I will talk about what is the present perfect tense. Okay. So in case of present perfect tense, we have something like a has have as a helping verb. Okay. What? As we have a has have. Okay. Has and have as a helping verb. Okay. I will talk with you what is the positive form of the present indefinite tense and how to make the present perfect tense and what is the situation to making the present perfect tense. So first I will discuss with you how to make a positive present perfect tense. Okay, so first you add your subject and with that you add your has have and then verb third form of the verb and then object, and now your sentence will be ready for present perfect tense. Okay, and that present perfect tense is something look like this, and I have gone to market. Okay, so this is what, this is the type of the present perfect tense. For example, anyone says she plus has have plus verb third form plus object. Okay, here I can write like you can understand like subject plus verb, subject plus has have, and then verb third form plus object. Okay, third form plus object. This is the situation to making present perfect tense. For the positive form I have discussed with you, and that is subject plus has have plus verb third form plus object. For example, we use generally third form of the verb in case of present perfect tense. Okay, for example, he has gone to school. Okay, so this is the type of the present perfect tense. If I told any other example, she has written a book. Okay, so this is a type of the example of present perfect tense. This is the type of the present perfect tense. Okay, so these are the example of the present perfect tense. For negative form, you just you just have a subject and plus has have plus not and plus verb third form plus object. Okay, in this situation you will complete with the negative form of the present perfect tense. For example, i have not gone to school. Okay, so here have not will what, have not is going to be happen with your present perfect tense. For another example, like see so you understand, for the negative form we have subject plus has have plus not plus verb third form plus object. Okay, and for the interrogative sentence we generally put has have before. Okay, so first we have has have and after that we have subject. Okay, after that we have subject plus verb third form and then object. Okay, third form plus object. This is going to be situation happen. What? So verb has have plus subject plus verb third form plus object. So this is for the interrogative present perfect tense. Okay, for example, have I gone to market. Okay, have I gone to market. So this is the type of the what, this is the type of the interrogative sentence, interrogative present perfect tense. Another example for now I will tell you where I can use present perfect tense. Any other example to after this, like a present indefinite positive form of the present perfect tense and negative form of the present perfect tense and interrogative form of the present perfect tense, and where many other places we can put this one to be use present perfect tense as an example. So we can use as example like for example we can use for the recently, and he has recently passed the his MBA. Okay, so like if we have a recently word, then we can also use present perfect tense. For example, he has recently passed his exam, MBA exam for already. Okay, for like I have done my MBA already. I have already done my MBA. Okay, so for already we use what we use present perfect tense. We use present perfect tense for the already word, okay. And for the just word we also use as a present perfect tense. For example, he has just gone out, okay. He has just gone out. So what is the example of this? This is an example of present perfect tense. He has just gone out. The main thing you are notice main thing, that is our third form of the verb. If we are using third form of that word, that means we are using for the our present perfect tense, okay. And for example, have you ever been to Japan? So for ever and never, for these words also we use our present perfect tense. If we have a never and ever, so for that reason we also use present perfect tense as a sentence. And many other cases, like she has already done such a flower. And for just also we use that one. He has just gone out, okay. He has just gone out. And up to recently, for these things, many of the things, like for instance we use that one. Anywhere if you use third form and has, have, and mostly third form of the verb, that time you understand, like we are using perfect tense, okay. So here we are using what we are talking about present perfect tense. For example, other, have you ever been to any other country, like have you ever been this since. And for we are living in Japan since 2001, okay. So what is the going here? It's going here something like present perfect tense. Now further I will talk about what is the present perfect continuous tense. And in that situation I will tell you how can use present perfect continuous. So stay tuned.